السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم کمپلیٹ پیپر ڈسکس کرتے ہیں جو اے ڈی پی ایس سی اور ٹیپا کا ہوا ہے، اور ویڈیو کے اینڈ پر ہم اس کا میرٹ ڈسکس کریں گے کہ اس کا اے ڈی پی ایس سی کا اور ٹیپا کا میرٹ کتنا بنے گا۔ تو سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ ایم سی کیوز ہے ہمارے پاس، ارتھ ایٹماسفیئر ایکسٹینڈز ٹو ہائٹ آف رفلی ڈیش ابو دی ارتھ سرفیس 20,000 kilometer. Which sector produced 2.5 in GNP of Pakistan? Mining. The three sisters rivers Boro, Nor and Suir flow through Ireland. Mount Mitchell is the highest peak of which mountain? Appalachian. What is the altitude of Murray? 7,500 feet. Economic policy maker in Ziaul Haq era? Ghulam Ishaq Khan. Which Asian leader proposed the free trade agreement between China and ASEAN? Xi Jinping. Moon distance from Earth is 380,000 kilometer. Incorrect format of formula 10 plus 15. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. Sun is a yellow star. Its temperature is 6,000 degrees centigrade. What is the focus of IPCC 2025? Climate resilience and its impacts. Moulin Rouge is located in Paris. Taluja Ford is located in Son Valley. Autocorrect is used to replace dash words in documents misspelled. When Pakistan joined CETO 1954, influenza is a virus. Pakistan joined UN in 1947. Pakistan won Cricket World Cup in 1992. Logarithms were introduced by the great Muslim mathematician Musa al-Khwarizmi. Kadamgah of Mola Ali is located in Hyderabad, Sindh. Maya Bay Beach is located in Thailand. Tolo is a TV station, Afghanistan. Yomul Furqan is which Ghazwa? Ghazwa Badr. Majlis-e-Shura consists of how many houses? 2 houses. In the heptathlon, which is first event 60 meter? Which organization 80th anniversary is celebrated in 2025? UNO. Guam Doctrine is Nixon Doctrine. Who is the savior of Pakistan? Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. HTML is used for developing web pages. In PowerPoint, dash view is used for automatically playing slides, slideshow. Hence, Seidel Foundation is related to scholarship. Jump ball is related to which game? Basketball. Quaid-e-Azam Papers is located in National Archives. Application of technologies which secure the network and software from attack is called cybersecurity. Sheikh Fariduddin Ganshakkar belongs to which silsila? Chishtiya. Shah Waliullah translated Holy Quran into which language? Persian. Pakistan first TV station is located in Lahore. Driest desert of the world is located in South America. Pakistan national river is Indus. Pakistan won its first hockey gold medal in hockey in Asia Games in 1958. Kinetic and potential energy are which type? Mechanical. Pakistan purchased which jet from China in 2025? JF-35. Kashmir territory is distributed in how many countries? 3. US ambassador who died with President Ziaul Haq in plane crash? Arnold Rafael. When Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in 1913? Khilafat delegation met with PM of UK in 1920? L. Lloyd George. Nawab Waqar ul Mulk was Secretary of Aligarh College. What is the purpose of NASA's SPHEREX mission? History of universe. Thermos flask is used to maintain temperature. Which book is written by Fatima Bhutto on her family in Pakistan? Songs of Blood and Swords. Anatole Levin's book about Pakistan is titled as Pakistan a Hard Country. He dash smoking last year. He gave up. He was accused of stealing the pen. He is good at playing piano. She is allergic to cats. She takes after her grandmother. The plane took off. Analogy of robin, bird, bee, insect. Turn down the music, it's too loud. Correction of adverb placement. Let us play here nicely. Let us play nicely here. We reached at the station in just time. The books belong to me. Synonym of connoisseur, love of art. We do wrong, but he do not show. Emphatic sentence. He has no child. यहाँ पर with आता है, with this wife. The meeting has been put off. The first governor of NWFP, George Cunningham. European Union donated 1.6 million euro to Palestine. Roentgen invented X-rays. Oxygen was invented by Priestley. First Pakistani who qualified for Tokyo Olympics in javelin throw, Arshad Nadeem. Pakistan ideology based on the ideas of Islam. In Saudi Arabia, there is monarch type of government. Which country didn't sign CTBT? North Korea. Pakistan staff level agreement. Which organization to extend the facility? With IMF. Postal system was introduced in the era of Hazrat Umar Razillahu Ta'ala Anhu. What is the main objective of Asian Economic Integration Report 2025? Regional economic integration. The perimeter of triangle with verticals these. The answer is 12. The pair of equation y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5 has a solution. No solution. A person's age after 15 years will be 4 times his age 15 years back. What is his present age? 25. If amount increased by 25%, the amount becomes this. After 1 year, what is the original value before 1 year? The answer is 35,600,000. A number is multiplied by 3 instead of dividing 3. What percentage of number increased of desired value? 900%. If the circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square are equal, then the area of a circle dash area of the square greater than. On Friday, 170 teacher present out of 200. What percentage of teacher was present on that day? 85%. For 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 6x plus my is equal to 14. Find the value of m for which the system of equations has indefinitely many solutions. 4. रुबाई किस ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है? अरबी. अंजुमन पंजाब किसने बनाई? डॉक्टर लॉयटर ने. मजलिस तरक्की अदब का दफ्तर लाहौर में है. अगरचे कौन सा हर्फ है? हरूफ इस्तदराक. तनकीद की आज़ादी किसकी किताब है? मुज़फ़्फ़र अली सैयद. आज मरे कल दूसरा दिन से क्या मुराद है? आर्ज़ी ज़िंदगी. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राज से क्या मुराद है? बेपरवाह हुकूमत. हफ़ीज़ खान का कौन सा नावल बहावलपुर की तारीख पर है? अध अधूरे लोग. अख्तर हुसैन जाफरी ने किसकी मौत पर तुझको किस फूल का कफन पहनाए नज़म लिखी? इज़राफ पाउंड. इस्तेजाबिया जुमला की निशानदेही कीजिए. वाह कितना खूबसूरत मौसम है. इमाम शाफ़ी किसके शागिर्द थे? इमाम मालिक के. ग़ज़वतुल उसरा किस ग़ज़वा को कहते हैं? ग़ज़वा तबूक को. हज़ूर पाक ने किस ग़ज़वा के बाद 3 दिन तक हमराउल असद में क़याम फरमाया? ग़ज़वा ओहद के. सहीफ़ा हमाम बिन मुंबा किसके मुतल्लिक़ है? अबू हुरैरा के. ये था एटीपीएससी और टीपा का जो क्लब पेपर हुआ है. इसमें काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस पास्ट पेपर्स में से रिपीट हुए हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बिल्कुल नए हैं जो सबके लिए नए थे और वो किसी को भी नहीं आते होंगे. तो पेपर थोड़ा सा टफ था और मैंने ख़ुद भी इसका जो अंदाज़ा लगाया है तो ये 65 से 70 के दरमियान इसका मेरिट बन सकता है. ठीक है, 65 से 70 के दरमियान. इसके अलावा मैंने 3-4 टीचर्स से भी बात की है, तो उनमें से 3 टीचर्स ने 60 से 65 तक इस मेरिट का इस पेपर का मेरिट बताया है और एक टीचर ने कहा है कि इस 70 से 75 के दरमियान भी हो सकता है. مجھے لگتا ہے کہ جو اے ڈی پلس سی کا پیپر ہے اس کا میرٹ 60 سے 65 یا 68 کے درمیان رہے گا، اور جو ٹیپا کا ہے وہ 70 سے 75 کے درمیان جا سکتا ہے۔ اگر آپ نے بھی پیپر دیا ہے تو کمنٹ سیکشن میں مجھے بتائیں کہ آپ کے کتنے ایم سی کیوز ٹھیک ہیں اور آپ کے کتنے ایکسپیکٹڈ مارکس بن رہے ہیں، تاکہ اوورآل اندازہ ہو سکے کہ اسٹوڈنٹس کا پیپر ہوا کس طرح کا ہے۔